That's super cute.
Very cute. Okay. Ooh, it went out of focus. God damn it. So we are here filming with Skyward song. Hey. I got my shoot. Sam got his. So now she's gonna shoot some Mother Gothel. Some accidental Mother Gothel. How's the framing on this shot?
It's perfect.
Okay. So we were like, yeah, we'll totally get together and we'll do a shoot outside at this awesome park. And it's like 20 degrees. And I don't know if you can see it, but it is like snowing. Like when we got here, there was no snow laying on the ground. Look at this reflector.
It's
like
hardly staying out.
Pick that reflector up. Don't dump the snow off it yet. Just pull it over there. Okay, look at this reflector. Okay, ready? Throw that snow. Look at that. Oh, and we've only been here, what, like half an hour, 45 minutes, if that. We're dumb. We're straight up. Are we dumb? We're dumb. No.
No.
It's for cosplay. It's okay.
It's okay.
So, this is what we're doing, and then we're going to go to Walmart and get some more supplies, and go home and upload pictures and craft a little bit.
Minecraft.
No. And makeup test for Kat's super secret Katsucon cosplay. Dude, this snow is ridiculous.
We're gonna die on the way home. What are you doing?
I'm following you.
I'm trying to run around.
So, we were gonna vlog this whole weekend, but we've just been like forgetting. So, you're just gonna have to deal with this. I hit a button on the camera. Oh, I think.
I hit
okay?
a button.
Okay, we're okay. Shut up. So I took off pretty much all of my stuff. I still have like my skirt on. I don't know if you can see that. And my swimsuit top, but I'm in my jacket because I'm very cold. Like my fingers are like so red.
Do it
so
for Dale.
Woo! Such a femboy. Such a femboy. What's that term? He's flashing.
I was like, do it for Dale.
Oh my. That boy, I don't even know. I don't even know. So, so excited for that white tree over there. Can we?
Oh yeah.
I think it's like washed out, but like, oh my god, it's so fuzzy. You'll just have to take my word for it. There's a really awesome like white dogwood. Is dogwood white? Like
it's
white
fuzzy.
tree over there, and it's really nice, but it's like in brush, so we're not gonna go there. But yeah, it's cold and we're dumb. But the pictures should be pretty good. I'm excited because I got to wear Haunter for the first time. And I'm like super pumped for that. So I just got snow in my eye.
This is my He-Man cosplay.
He-Man Woman Hater Club. You ever seen Little Rascals?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was about ready
I'm
to
not
smack
that
you.
uncultured.
You're pretty on. He's never seen Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings.
I just watched it actually.
Okay,
I
good
binged
boy.
it with my girlfriend.
Good boy. So we're gonna go finish up here and drive back and get in the warm car because we are freezing and like hot cocoa sounds amazing right now. So that's me flipping you off.